Hello everyone, today I have an exciting unboxing. It's a Nintendo Switch Lite. Thank you for this item so that we can unbox it with our followers and look what's inside. So it comes in this nice box and there's some descriptions as to what we should expect. So let's open up and see. Okay, so it comes in this nice looking box. I like the plastic. I'll get back to it in a moment. Just want to see what's inside here. And it's packed really nicely. Something in Japanese. I'm assuming this is a charging cable. It didn't come with instructions, so I'm assuming everything can be downloaded online. Now let's remove the packet. Here it is. It looks really nice and it's pretty large. You can see my reflection. You hear the sound? Yeah. This is the sound of pure joy. Those controllers are really nice. Have a nice feel, and the bag also feels really nice. But I'm recommending to buy a cover just to make sure that it serves you longer. And I'm just gonna charge it up and then we'll see how it goes from there. Thank you for watching a very short unboxing.